Throughout this video, you will hear audio from my mobile phone. Mini shotgun mic. A lavalier mic is a great option. I'm not really making any money from these videos, so those of you who have been following us at Double Take Tech here, you may have noticed we've been trying different things to improve the quality of our audio, from soundproofing the room to buying really expensive audio equipment considering the size of our channel. I would like to really put forward some of the challenges we've experienced as a small channel, trying to really learn how to improve the audio, gone through a lavalier mic, and also this one here. This is a prehistoric mic that I had that actually gave me one of the best audios that I've experienced, which was brilliant, but it started giving problems. SE2000, yeah, it's probably came out in 2000 or something. Like, that's how old it is. So the mobile phone is a great option if you use it for voiceovers, if you can get really close to the mic, and the sound gets a lot better the closer you get to the mic. Yeah, a little bit too close with the video, but if I move back now, you might notice the sound getting worse and worse. If I go all the way back and hit this back, yeah, it's not going to be as clear. So voiceovers, that can work, or keep the phone really close to your mouth. But as soon as you're ready, you want to upgrade it to a dedicated mic. The first one we went for was the Lavalier Boya BYM1. So a lavalier mic is a great option if you can really learn how to use it. I mean, I struggled with the discipline. One of the things you have to consider with the lavalier mic is the wire. Although they're usually quite long, they are a bit of a trouble to take care of, hide it when you're doing your videos. Also, they are all over the floor right now, which isn't great. It's a lot of mess. I don't like to do that. I'm trying to keep a nice clean setup, and I don't want to bring out such a long wire every time. You have to be careful not to move the mic. As soon as it starts touching your shirt or your skin, it starts picking up other noises. But if you can be consistent, learn to be relaxed, calm, and not move around too much, which defeats the point of having a lavalier mic. It works really good. There are some tips and tricks where you can add tape and stuff, but for me, it just wasn't good enough. So I had to go one up and spend about £200 on the Rode VideoMic NTG. This shotgun mic, it has a ton of features which are all amazing. Like, I really love the USB recording. I love the safety channels. It's got a low pass filter, high pass filter, everything. Really a perfect combination of features you want on a mic. But we haven't had the best audio. Now, there's a lot of learning process. As a small content creator, you don't need to go through this learning process. You already have all the video editing to learn. So this is what that sounds like with the 3.5mm jack. And now I'm going to change it over to the USB. And now this is how it sounds with the USB connection. To use the safety channel, I think you do need to use the USB connection, because I was just using the 3.5mm jack and that didn't really pick up the safety channel. So with the USB, I've got the right hand at 20 decibels slower than the left hand, which is brilliant. I've got a voice that really fluctuates, so I really find that useful. Once you do get all of this working, you still have to do some post-production work, which isn't great. That's why I started looking again. Is there another mic that potentially could give us similar quality and maybe, less price? How about I save some money for a change? This is where the Comica's CVM VM10 came in. This is a perfect mic for vlogging style videos. I mean, it's got no weight. It fits on top of your mount really nicely. This is a £50 mic, and this is how it sounds. I wanted to give this mic the best chance possible, the Comica. Now, with the handheld audio, I wasn't too pleased with it. There's a lot of hissing being picked up, so I thought I'll set it up on its own stand, and then we'll see how it does. So I wanted to take a few days and check out the audio from all the different devices I've tested, and give you a really hard conclusion of what my advice for any small YouTuber or small content creator would be. Use your phone. It's great for voiceovers. If you get really close to the camera, as I've shown in the video, you can get really good audio. Once you feel like you're ready for an upgrade, I would initially suggest get something like a Blue Yeti or a USB mic. They usually provide really good audio. The micro shotgun is an amazing form factor, but I feel the Comica we had was actually a defective piece because I can't imagine such bad quality from such a robust looking and feeling mic. I've heard some other YouTube reviews on the Comica and they actually sound really good. So unless they do a lot of post production editing, the lavalier mic, I personally cannot recommend that. I feel like it's too much of a hassle unless you're ready to hold it up to your mouth and talk through it like that. Maybe for voiceovers, the Rode Video Mic NTG. Now, this is a great mic with a lot of features. Does need some getting used to. I'm not sure why the 3.5mm jack wasn't really as good quality as the USB-C connection, but I'm okay using the USB-C connection, so it works for me. And we're still searching for that perfect mic that we can just plug and get recording with our mobile phones.